Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Densho and Inday. It's lunchtime already, I think, and it's already 11:30. So I'm trying to think of what to have for lunch. Right now, I'm craving for pancit, which is usually what we usually have in Philippines. It's very common. I have here sotanghon. Sotanghon, that's it. And I also have this pancit canton. So I'm going to make pancit. So I only have these spices, these vegetables. This is the Savoy cabbage. This sotanghon, which is pancit canton, which I got from the Asian shop here in uh, our area. I also have rice. Inside of this, I put a egg to make it hard boiled. So I will show you after when I able to take out the egg from the rice. At the moment, it's still cooking. Now I'm going to put a little oil for the spices. One, the Savoy cabbage, and I also have bell pepper, and I will add hot water, and then this is the I add on the chicken cubes, and then I just add black pepper, and then this is the oyster sauce, a bit that's salt. Take the vegetables out before it gets overcooked. Okay. Sotanghon. This pancit canton. After the noodles are already soft enough, I just add back the vegetables and it stays. We just add some. This is soy sauce. So, wow, my pancit is almost done. And there's the egg. I put. So this is it, the finished product, guys, for my pancit, the meatless pancit. I only used a boiled egg to put protein on my pancit. So I do not have chicken at the moment, so I use egg instead. Let's give it a try. Yeah, it's good, guys. Even with my simple ingredients, you can still make your own pancit at home. Let's say you do not have chicken, pork, or whatever, but if you can find some other uh, protein, like just the eggs, it's already good. Huh? This is what I usually do at home, guys, in UK. My husband Densho is always at work. He works 4 days a week. And then if I am on my own, if I crave something, I will just cook, find ways to satisfy my cravings. Food like this, I miss from the Philippines. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you will be following me with my next video. Sometimes I will bake some scones, muffins. I'm going to have my lunch now, and I'm sure I will enjoy this meal I cooked for today. Thank you for watching, guys, for your patience to watch my video. Have a lovely day. God bless everyone. Bye.